Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm gonna give you guys the reasons why you're actually not losing weight. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I know like you're exercising, you're eating right, you drink lots of water, but you're still not losing weight. If that's you, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to tell you guys why you're actually not losing weight. So this is coming from me. Before I begin, it's coming from me. I recently lost weight after having my baby. She's 1 year old already now. So I actually lost the baby weight and all that. So maybe if you're sitting down and like, what makes you think you know why I'm not losing weight? I'm just putting it out there so that you know, at least I know a little bit of the reasons why you're not losing weight. So let's just get into it. So as always, I write my points down just to make sure I don't miss anything, because I want to cover everything in this video. If you start working out, especially when you're not used to working out, it's a change. Your body is not used to it, so you're gonna shock your body. Your body will like, what's happening? You understand? So when you shock your body, that is actually called body recomposition, because your body is changing. Like the body is like, what is happening? So it's gonna take some time for your body to settle down back. So when is that process? Maybe the first week, second week, third week of working out. When you started working out, when you weigh yourself, you might even gain weight. Like you'll be like, what the hell? Like what is happening? It has actually happened to me. I remember anytime, like after having the baby and I start working out, like the first few weeks I gain weight, and if you let that to discourage you, then you're not gonna succeed. So just don't worry, continue. Give your body the chance to get used to what is happening. So just to let you guys know, my kids are around and they're playing, so if you hear them, so it's going to take a while for your body to get used to that and to balance back, and then that's when you start seeing results. Something else I'm going to tell you, that works for me is I don't weigh myself every day. I weigh myself once a week. Maybe you set a certain day, a particular day in the morning before having your breakfast, or maybe at night time. Like it's better to weigh yourself in the morning when your stomach is empty. That's the best time. So before having breakfast, you just weigh yourself and you write it down, and the following week you weigh yourself and write it down. That is how I do it. And also another great way to check your progress, because I want you to be sure before jumping into conclusion that you're not losing weight, take progress pictures. Like, do you have progress picture? Because sometimes it doesn't move when it comes to the scale. You're just gonna see it on the picture. Like when you take a picture of the day you're starting, and then a month later, I prefer to take a picture a month later, definitely you're gonna notice the difference, like I'm telling you. So when you take that progress picture, you see the result. You're gonna see what it's doing to your body. So it's not necessarily gonna move the scale sometimes, but when it comes to the picture, you're gonna see more. And also something that really works is to measure yourself. You get a tape and you measure yourself and you write it down. What I normally do is I measure myself weekly, and I notice I lose a little bit of inch this week, a little bit of inch that week. I do that, and that is how I get my progress, because sometimes the scale does not change. Sometimes when you're doing your exercise, depending on the kind of exercise you do, sometimes you don't lose weight, you kind of gain weight. Especially when you're lifting weight, you're definitely going to gain weight when you measure yourself on the scale. Like when you weigh yourself on the scale, you're going to gain weight if you're lifting weight. But how you're going to know your result is when you measure yourself with tape, and also your clothes. Like, oh god, your clothes tell you everything. Like your clothes, the jeans you normally wear, you can't even button. Then if you try it a month later and you button it and the scale is not moving, then girl, ditch the scale. You're walking towards the right direction. You don't need the scale. Like seriously, measure yourself with tape, take progress pictures, try your clothes. They actually help. Then if you're doing all that and you're not noticing anything, like if you're doing all these things and still no results, and you exercise 6 days a week and you drink lots of water, then the next thing I'll talk about is, do you get enough rest? 6 days a week, working out 6 days a week, sometimes it's not the best for your body. you'll be surprised that when you give yourself some break, like you work out 5 days or 4 days instead of 6 days, you'll be shocked at the result. Like, let me tell you guys one thing that happened to me. Like, I didn't feel like working out, so I didn't work out for a whole week. That week I was eating anything I wanted, and guys, I lost weight. I lost weight that week. Like, I was shocked. That's my husband. Like, seriously, I was shocked. I was shocked. I was like, really? Like, I'm not even working out, and I lost weight. Like, I lost up to a kg in that 1 week. So sometimes you give your body break, rest. That is why I work out 5 days a week, and I do more of weightlifting, you know, just to put it out there. I do more of just a little bit of cardio than more of weightlifting. So I didn't work out that week and I lost a lot of weight. It goes a long way to show you that your body needs rest. You need to give your body rest, you know. So when you give your body rest, you're definitely going to see a result. Like, I'm telling you, the scale is going to move. And also, are you under eating? Because sometimes it's not good to overeat, and it's also not good to undereat, because when you are restricting the life out of your calories, like, and you're eating only 1000 calories or 900 calories, it's not healthy. It's not good for your health. Please eat, like check. Okay, just go online and, you know, type in calorie calculator and check the amount of calories you're supposed to be taking in a day. They will ask you for your height and your age and your physical activities during the day, and they'll use it to measure out the amount of calories you're supposed to eat in a day. If you're supposed to eat 2000 calories in a day, at least reduce it to 1/8. Don't do anything drastic. That drastic does not work, like, seriously. And also, if you've been doing everything and you're not losing weight, are you sleeping very well? Because sleep is so important. Stress is a horrible thing for our body. Like, I'm saying it, I know it's not easy. I have 4 kids, so sometimes I'm stressed up. I know it's not easy, but we should try as much as we can to walk ourselves around. At least try and go to bed on time to get enough sleep, because when you get enough sleep, you feel way better the next day. And when you rest, you have that sleep, your body will work very well. Those fats, those stubborn fats, it's gonna diminish those fats when you're resting, like I'm telling you, you know. So get enough sleep is very, very important. And something else I've noticed that people do is that when people underestimate the amount of calories they eat. Like, you get a bar. There's one time I got a Cadbury bar. There's this particular one I bought, you know. I was really hungry, I was out, so I just had to get the bar, and I ate the bar. And after that, I checked the package to check the amount of calories there. It was about 460 calories. I think so, about 600 and something calories in just one little bar. Like, oh my god, like, I didn't know it was so much, and I was not even full with that. So sometimes you underestimate the amount of calories we eat in a day. We say, after all, it's just a little bar, or it's just a little this, it's just a little that, not knowing that that little thing contains crazy calories. That little thing might probably be the reason why you're not losing the weight, or why your scale is not moving. So be mindful of what you eat when you're in a weight loss journey. Check. You have to check. If you are trying to lose weight, you need to check before you eat. If you can't find it there, you just Google it, or you use MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal will tell you the amount of calorie in everything. So you just use it to check the amount of calories, just to be on the safer side, you know, so that you can see results. The next thing I'm going to say is water, because sometimes when you don't drink enough water, your system is dehydrated, and when it's dehydrated, it's not going to function properly, and that way you're not going to be able to lose weight. You will not see the scale moving at all. So please check and be sure that you drink lots of water. And sometimes people drink their calories, like, you drink your calories without knowing it. You have this drink or juice, you drink juice thinking that juice has lots of calories. Instead of drinking juice, get the orange and make a smoothie. Like, have the fresh orange juice instead of having the packet juice. You don't know what they have inside of all those things. So if you're drinking juice thinking that it's healthy, it's probably hindering your progress, my dear. So please check, you know, check and see what you're doing and be sure that you're doing the right thing, you know. So you don't want to be drinking your calories, because that's just the worst thing, you know. And something else I'm going to point out is the fact that, you know, sometimes when we work out and work our butt, like we feel like we've, you know, this workout today I really burned lots of calories. You just assume that you burn lots of calories because you did lots of workout or because you have lots of sweat. So in that case, you might want to reward yourself by eating a lot. So when you do that, you're just, you know, working yourself out to get the calories out, and you're putting them back on by eating a lot again. So you just be mindful. So just be mindful, guys. Just go ahead and evaluate yourself, you know, check what you do. Definitely there must be something going on. Then if you know, keep trying and you're nothing is happening, you can always go to your doctor. You book an appointment, go to your GP, go to your doctor and explain what is happening. I believe they will be able to solve the situation for you guys. And that is what it's gonna be for now. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I love sharing this information with you guys. If you do love this information, please support me by liking this video and also share this information with your friends. It's so important to share this video with your friends so that they will have this knowledge as well, because guys, knowledge is power. And that is what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. Love you guys. Bye.